Plant FAQs. Calathea Vittata. What is Calathea Vittata? Calathea Vittata, with its stunning striped foliage, is one of my favorite houseplants. Its vibrant green leaves, accented by white lines, bring a touch of tropical elegance to any room. In this article, I'll share my experiences and tips on caring for this beautiful plant, ensuring it thrives in your home as it does in mine. See more 59 species in genus Calathea at monsteraholic.com. Calathea Vittata versus Ornata. When comparing my Calathea Vittata to my Calathea ornata, I find that the Vittata's striking, slender white stripes on its deep green leaves give it a more elegant and understated look. In contrast, the ornata's pink stripes on darker leaves feel more vibrant and playful. The Vittata seems to require a bit more attention, needing a consistently humid environment to thrive, which can be a bit challenging to maintain. However, the ornata is slightly more forgiving with its care, though both demand high humidity and regular watering to keep their leaves from curling. Calathea Vittata versus White Star. Between my Calathea Vittata and the White Star, the difference in leaf pattern and color is quite striking. The White Star's white and pink striped leaves are absolutely mesmerizing and tend to stand out more in my indoor garden. The Vittata's green leaves with white stripes are more subtle, but equally beautiful in their simplicity. I've noticed that the White Star is a bit more resilient, adapting better to changes in light and humidity, whereas the Vittata requires a very consistent environment to avoid browning edges. Overall, the White Star feels like a showstopper, while the Vittata adds a touch of refined elegance to my collection. How to care for Calathea Vittata. Caring for Calathea Vittata is a rewarding experience that involves attention to its specific needs. Here are the key aspects to ensure your plant remains healthy and vibrant. Light requirements. Calathea Vittata thrives in bright, indirect light. Too much direct sunlight can scorch its delicate leaves, while too little light can lead to slower growth and dull foliage. I've found that placing my Calathea near an east-facing window, where it gets the gentle morning sun, works best. Humidity. Calathea Vittata loves humidity. This plant is native to tropical regions, so maintaining a high humidity level is crucial. If you live in a dry climate, a humidifier or a pebble tray filled with water under the pot can help. I also mist my plant regularly to keep the leaves hydrated and healthy. Temperature. Maintaining a consistent temperature between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, is ideal for Calathea Vittata. Avoid placing it in drafty areas or near heating vents, as sudden temperature changes can stress the plant. Soil and potting. A well-draining, peat-based potting mix is perfect for Calathea Vittata. The soil should retain moisture without becoming waterlogged. I repot my Calathea every 2 years to refresh the soil and ensure the roots have enough space to grow. How often to water Calathea Vittata? Watering Calathea Vittata correctly is crucial to its health. Here's what I've learned from my experience. Frequency. Calathea Vittata prefers consistently moist soil, but it's essential to avoid overwatering. I water my plant once a week, adjusting based on the season and humidity levels. In the warmer months, you might need to water more frequently, while in the cooler months, less often. Water quality. Using filtered or distilled water is best for Calathea Vittata, as it is sensitive to chemicals like chlorine and fluoride found in tap water. I let my tap water sit out overnight before using it, which allows the chlorine to dissipate. Signs of overwatering and underwatering. Yellowing leaves or a musty smell from the soil are signs of overwatering, while brown leaf edges can indicate underwatering. Keeping an eye on these signs has helped me adjust my watering routine as needed. How to propagate Calathea Vittata. Propagating Calathea Vittata is relatively straightforward and can be a fun way to expand your plant collection. Here's how I do it. Division method. The best way to propagate Calathea Vittata is through division. During the repotting process, I gently separate the plant into smaller sections, ensuring each section has a healthy root system and several leaves. Then, I plant each section in a fresh pot with the appropriate soil mix and care for them as usual. Aftercare. After division, the new plants might experience some transplant shock. I keep them in a warm, humid environment and avoid direct sunlight until they establish themselves. Regular misting and careful watering help them recover quickly. Is Calathea Vittata toxic to cats? As a cat owner, I always prioritize the safety of my furry friends when choosing houseplants. Thankfully, Calathea Vittata is non-toxic to cats. My cat, Whiskers, occasionally nibbles on the leaves, and I've never had to worry about any harmful effects. It's comforting to know that I can enjoy the beauty of this plant without compromising my pet's safety. Common problems and solutions. Leaf curling. Leaf curling is a common issue with Calathea Vittata and usually indicates low humidity or underwatering. Increasing humidity and ensuring the soil stays consistently moist have helped me prevent this problem. Brown leaf tips. Brown tips can result from dry air, underwatering, or water quality issues. Using a humidifier and filtered water has significantly reduced the occurrence of brown tips on my plant. Pests. Spider mites and aphids can occasionally infest Calathea Vittata. Regularly inspecting the leaves and using insecticidal soap or neem oil have kept my plant pest-free. Conclusion. Caring for Calathea Vittata requires a bit of attention and effort, but the reward of its stunning foliage is well worth it. By providing the right light, humidity, and watering conditions, you can enjoy this beautiful plant in your home. And with the added peace of mind that it's safe for cats, Calathea Vittata truly makes a perfect addition to any plant lover's collection.